All right, now we're going to take a look at how to secure your network. It's important that you find the vulnerabilities in your network and try to fix them. If these are not fixed, you are giving attackers a chance to break into your network. So, obviously, we strongly recommend you carry out a penetration test by simulating the actions of an attacker to discover any vulnerabilities. We recommend a series of steps for DDoS penetration testing.
Okay, the first step is to define the objective and plan for the pen test. Next, test for heavy loads, aka load testing, by putting an artificial load on the server or application to test the stability and performance. Now you can use Web Server Stress Tool, Web Stress Tester, or JMeter. Next, check for DDoS vulnerabilities by scanning the network. You can use tools such as Nmap, GFI LandGuard, or Nessus. Next, run a SYN attack on the server by bombarding the target with connection request packets. You can run the DDoS HTTP Sprout or PHDOS. Next, run port flooding attacks on the server by sending a large number of TCP or UDP packets and thereby creating a DDoS on that port. To test, you can use Multilate for TCP ports and Pepsi5 for UDP ports. Next, run an email bomber on the email server. You can use Mail Bomber or Advanced Mail Bomber tools for this purpose. And then next, flood the website forms and guestbook with bogus entries by filling arbitrary and lengthy entries. Finally, document all the findings and initiate the next steps in addressing the issues identified.